Rajasthan is one of such states in India, which is known as the land of kings. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Rajasthan was divided into different regions, which were ruled by many clans. The main monuments of Rajasthan include several hill forts, most of which are located in the Aravalli mountain range and were constructed between the 5th century AD and the 17th to 18th century AD. There are 6 such hill forts in Rajasthan. Each of these forts has such a unique beauty that attracts people towards it. In this video, we are going to tell you about the major hill forts of Rajasthan. Number 1. Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh is one of the major hill forts in the state of Rajasthan, which is spread over 692 acres of land on a hill at an altitude of 590 feet. This fort is one of the largest forts in India. In the year 2013, Chittorgarh Fort was included in the World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. Chittorgarh Fort is historically a very prominent fort which is replete with tales of valor and sacrifice. Chittorgarh Fort is a major tourist destination of Rajasthan. If you go on a trip to Rajasthan, then do not forget to visit the hill forts Chittorgarh. Number 2. Kumbhalgarh Fort is a major hill fort of Rajasthan, which is situated at the foothills of Aravalli range and is surrounded by 13 hill peaks. Kumbhalgarh Fort is situated amidst a forest at an altitude of 1914 meters, which has now been converted into a wildlife sanctuary. It is the second largest and most special major fort of Rajasthan after Chittorgarh Palace, which can attract anyone towards you. Number 3. Ranthambore Fort is included in the Hills Fort of Rajasthan, which is related to the Chauhan royal family located in Ranthambore. This fort is situated on a large rock in the middle of Ranthambore National Park, and it is included in the list of World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. Ranthambore Fort is surrounded by large walls with many stone gates and stairs leading to the top of the fort. Number 4 is Gagron Fort. Gagron Fort, located in Jhalawar district of Rajasthan, is one of the outstanding example of Rajput architecture. Gagron Fort is a hill fort in Rajasthan, as it is built on top of the hill and offers a spectacular 360-degree view of the bottom, apart from a museum outside the gate of Gagron Fort. There is also the tomb of Sufi Sant Mithi Shah, which is highly revered by the local people. Every year during Muharram, a fair is held here in honor of Sufi Sant Mithi Shah. The Gagron Fort has also been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list. The 5th fort is Amer Fort. Amer Fort is a major hill fort in Rajasthan, which is situated on the top of Aravalli Hill. This amazing fort is very popular due to its architecture and history. This fort is located at a distance of 11 km from Jaipur and is constructed with pink and yellow sandstone. Amer Fort is so famous because more than 5,000 tourists visit this fort every day. This hill fort of Rajasthan is a paradise for both tourists and photographers. And the last hill fort of Rajasthan is Jaisalmer Fort. Jaisalmer Fort is a big fort on the golden sands of the Thar Desert. Jaisalmer Fort was built in 1156. This fort, included in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, comes in the list of hill forts of Rajasthan. Located at the height of 250 feet, Jaisalmer Fort is surrounded by 30 feet high walls. Jaisalmer Fort is one of the largest fort in the world, which is also known as Sonar Fort or Golden Fort. So friends, today's video ends with this. Hope you guys enjoy the video, so like and share the video, and if you are new on the channel then subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon to get the notification of video first. Thanks for watching this video.